Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get free money on Cash App without a referral code. Alright, let's begin. First, you can still use the Cash App referral program, even if you did not sign up with a referral code. Once you have an account, share your referral code with others. When someone joins using your code and meets the requirements, both of you receive a bonus that typically ranges from $5 to $15, depending on current promotions. Next, watch for Cash App's promotional sign-up bonuses. While some promotions require a referral code, there are times when new users can receive a bonus of up to $25 just by signing up. These offers change, so stay updated to take advantage of them. Another method is using Cash App Boosts, which are cashback rewards available for Cash Card users. To activate a boost, open the app, go to the Cash Card tab, and select an available offer. Once activated, you will get instant discounts on eligible purchases, making this a great way to save money on daily expenses. For those interested in cryptocurrency, Cash App also offers Bitcoin boosts. With this feature, you can earn Bitcoin rewards when using your Cash Card for transactions. These rewards go directly to your Bitcoin balance, where you can hold or cash them out anytime. So that's basically how you can get free money on Cash App without a referral code. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.